Cut the butter into small chunks in the flour and then rub it into the flour using your fingertips. This is the process of shortening, and this gives the flour grains a waterproof coating with the butter, which provides shorter strands, which then gives you a crumblier texture to your biscuits. It should resemble breadcrumbs once it is ready. Add the sugar and mix it, and then squeeze the dough together into a ball. You're going to carefully roll out your dough on a lightly floured work surface. You're going to turn the dough after each roll to prevent sticking to the worktop. If it starts to crack at the edges, use your hands to bring the dough together again. Cut the dough into fingers and then use a fork to prick the dough to give it characteristic look for shortbread fingers. You can also use pastry cutters if you're wanting to make round biscuits. Place the shapes onto a baking tray, and then you are going to bake in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes on gas mark 4 or 180 until it's just slightly golden. Your biscuits will still be soft at that point, they only harden as they cool. Once cooked, if you trim the biscuits whilst they're still hot, that will give you a neat finish.